what are the reasons for failure of repairs. This is not failure of the concrete structures from the beginning, but the failure of the repair which was undertaken on the structures. So, you can see that about 16% of repair failures happened because of incorrect diagnosis, or in other words, without really understanding the root cause of the problem, original problem. So, that led to the failure of the repair. Then again about 38% of the failure happened because of failure of repair happened because of inappropriate design of the repair work. About 15% failure, about 15% of repairs failed because of inappropriate specification or inappropriate choice of materials, and again 19% because of poor workmanship and 12% for other factors.